and first letter is alif, and top of the alif is sign name is fatah. Okay, alif fatah a. Read with me. Alif fatah a, zal kasra zi, azi, noon fatana, azina. It's Quranic word. Okay, alif fatah a, zal kasra zi, azi, noon fatana, azina. Here's our lesson, today's lesson. Okay, and you can repeat it sometimes. Okay, after that inshallah you will expert. Inshallah, Allah give you health. Inshallah, Allah give you knowledge. We are practicing now of this letter. Read with me. This letter is, we discuss on this letter, about this letter. First letter alif, and top of the alif it's sign fatah. Fatah. Okay, what sign? Fatah. And next one is zal. Okay, and on zal bottom side which sign? Kasra. Kasra. Zal kasra zi. Okay, first letter alif fatah a, next one zal kasra zi, a zi, next one noon fatah na, azina. What? Repeat it please. Azina. Read with me. Alif fatah a, zal kasra zi, azi, noon fatah na, azina. Read again. I'm giving you explanation about this letter again. First letter is alif, and top of the alif is sign name fatah. Alif fatah a. 10 times repeat it. Alif fatah a, 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 alif fatah a. Next one, zal letter, and down sign of zal, its sign is kasra. Zal kasra zi. Read it 10 times. Zal kasra zi, zal kasra zi, zal kasra zi. And last letter is this one, noon. Top of the noon same sign fatah. Okay, noon fatah na. 10 times repeat it. Noon fatah na, noon fatah na. Okay, from the beginning. Alif fatah a and noon fatah na, ana. Okay, and between is zal kasra zi. Okay, a zi na. Repeat it with me. A zi na. Please 10 times repeat it video. After that you will expert inshallah. It's exercise. Today is your homework, this one. Alif fatah a, zal kasra zi, a zi, noon fatah na, a zi na. First sign, top sign is fatah. Fatah. Okay, and down sign side, this sign fatah, and down sign side it's one kasra. Kasra. Okay,